New and improved, the CompC line of subwoofers have been refreshed and updated. The CompC line of KICKER subwoofers have been a workhorse for KICKER deep sub bass for many years. Well, the 50 series has been updated and refreshed with some new KICKER technology. For example, forced air cooling. This allows the subwoofer to run cooler, 20 to 25% cooler than the older version. This means that with deep pounding bass, you can have lots of power running into your KICKER subwoofer and it will not fail. In addition, we have gone to a new solo cone that updates and reinforces the cone for even better deep bass response. The baskets are deeper and the surrounds are taller. This allows for more cone travel, giving you even louder, deeper, better sounding bass. Now, if you don't have mad box building skills, we offer a complete line of loaded enclosures for the new CompC subwoofers. The loaded enclosures have a single 10, a dual 10, a single 12, and of course, dual 12-inch models. The loaded enclosures have several advantages. Like I mentioned before, if you don't know how to build a proper enclosure, we guarantee this box is perfect for this woofer. The same team of engineers that designed this subwoofer also designed the subwoofer enclosure. That means we can guarantee great sub-bass performance. So when you're ready to upgrade your audio system, check out the CompC 50 series line of subwoofers from KICKER.